Hello and welcome to this training course presentation of the SAP Materials Management Purchasing and Material Master for Beginners to Intermediate. At the beginning, I will start talking about Material Master and Vendor Master, which are the core of the procurement, inventory management, and invoice verification. Next, I will show you the functionality of the purchasing information record and how it stores data for a specific material and vendor. Following that, I will show you how to create the purchase requisition and how that requisition is processed. In addition, you will learn then how to create, release, and send the request for quotation to selected vendors. You will learn how to enter quotations, compare quotations or prices, and reject bids. Also, you will learn how to issue the purchase order to a vendor, including the different functions related to the PO, such as account assignment and order types. Later in this course, you will learn how to post the goods received from a purchase order and goods received from a production order. Finally, you will learn about the invoice verification, which is part of the accounts payable process and where the vendors are paid for materials or services. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with the course. Good luck.